Long COVID and POTS can be tough. You might feel tired, have tummy troubles, or feel dizzy when you stand up. It's important to look after yourself. Good food can help you feel better. We're going to cook up some simple, tasty meals. These recipes are packed with good stuff your body needs. They're easy to make, even when you're not feeling your best. Let's get cooking. With the right ingredients and a little love, you can nourish your body and support your recovery. When you're living with long COVID or POTS, eating right can make a big difference. Your body needs extra nutrients to heal and stay strong. Focus on foods that are easy to digest and give you lots of energy. Think colorful fruits and veggies, lean proteins and healthy fats. These foods provide vitamins, minerals and antioxidants to support your immune system and overall health. Small, frequent meals can be easier on your stomach than large ones. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for every process in your body. Start your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie. This recipe is quick, easy and gentle on your stomach. 1 cup frozen berries asterisk, half a banana, 1 scoop protein powder, optional, half a cup spinach, 1 cup water or almond milk, 1 put everything in a blender, 2 blend until smooth, 3 enjoy! Add a handful of oats for extra fiber. Use different fruits and vegetables for variety. This smoothie is a great way to get your fruits, vegetables and protein all in one glass. It's a perfect on-the-go breakfast or snack. Simple and satisfying lentil soup, perfect for any occasion. This lentil soup is packed with protein and fiber, making it a hearty and satisfying meal that will keep you full for hours. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 carrots, chopped, 1 cup red lentils, rinsed, 4 cups vegetable broth, salt and pepper to taste. You can also add other spices like cumin or paprika for an extra kick. Instructions: heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat until shimmering. Add onion and carrots, cook until softened, about 5-7 minutes. Stir in lentils, broth, salt and pepper. Make sure everything is well combined. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes or until lentils are tender. Tips: add a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor and a touch of brightness. Serve with a side of whole grain bread for a complete meal. This soup is easy to make and even easier to digest, making it perfect for any time of the day. It's a great option for a light yet nourishing dinner that everyone will love. Flavorful and nourishing salmon with roasted vegetables. This dish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are essential for a healthy diet. Salmon is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health. These nutrients help in maintaining cognitive function and reducing inflammation. Roasting vegetables brings out their natural sweetness, making them even more enjoyable. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup chopped carrots, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. You can also add other seasonings like garlic powder or paprika for an extra kick. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the salmon and vegetables cook evenly. Toss broccoli and carrots with olive oil, salt and pepper. Make sure they are well coated to enhance their flavor during roasting. Spread vegetables on a baking sheet. Arrange them in a single layer for even cooking. Place salmon fillet on top of vegetables. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until salmon is cooked through. The fish should flake easily with a fork. Tips: use any vegetables you like. Brussels, sprouts, asparagus, bell peppers, etc. Feel free to experiment with your favorite veggies. Add a sprinkle of herbs for extra flavor. Fresh dill, parsley or thyme can elevate the dish. This recipe is simple to make and provides a balance of protein, healthy fats and essential nutrients, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion. Meal prep and hydration tips for success. Here are some extra tips to make eating with long COVID and POTS easier. Meal prep: chop veggies and cook grains ahead of time to save energy during the week. This can help you avoid the fatigue that often comes with daily cooking. Small meals: eat smaller, more frequent meals to aid digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. This can also help manage symptoms and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Hydration: keep water or herbal tea with you at all times and sip throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining your overall health and well-being. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Remember, everyone is different. Keeping a food journal can help you track what works best for you. It may take time to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and recipes. Be patient, listen to your body, and celebrate your progress. You've got this. Every small step forward is a victory worth celebrating. It's essential to consider specific dietary needs based on individual symptoms. For example, low histamine diet for those with histamine intolerance. Gluten-free for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Dairy-free for those with lactose intolerance or dairy allergies. Note, always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. By focusing on these principles and adapting recipes to individual needs, you can create a meal plan that supports both physical and mental well-being for individuals with long COVID and POTS.